Hi guys, today we are discussing the certification in hair transplant surgery, why it is so important to get the highest qualification in hair transplant surgery, because you are going for cosmesis, you need to have aesthetics, you need to have a good surgical planning, you need to produce the good natural looking hairlines and natural looks. This is very important to produce natural looks in hair transplant surgery. And how can you do that if you are qualified in that particular field? And ABHRS is the only certification available in the whole world. Why am I insisting this to you to have certification in ABHRS? Because you think when you go to have this kind of jacket is stitched, what do you see first? Do you go to the cobbler? No. You will find a tailor for yourself. And then you will need to find a best tailor for that particular thing. You need to get stitched a good jacket for you. This is more important in hair transplant surgery.